Get noticed in this 2006 GMC Sierra 1500. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine driven by an automatic transmission, the anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, daytime running lights. Call today to schedule a test drive.